So I'm puppy sitting. I don't know if you can hear. If you don't know, I don't know how you couldn't hear it. The fan, the air conditioning going in the background, as well as the dryer going in the background. So if you hear any, it's like shit hitting the thing. Yeah. So I'm at sister's house, and I don't know what the hell this is, but I saw a thing. I just grabbed the whole box because I grabbed one, but like usually I'll show the label, and a lot of times they'll have the same label as the box, or at least put like the name, but like it doesn't. So that's why I grabbed the box. Alright, I have no idea where she got this, how much it was. I don't know. But artisanal treats, chewy and crispy peanut butter bites topped with chocolate coating. There's a mouthful. And I guess you can go to www.artisanaltreats.com. Where am I? That's. Oh, I feel real dumb. It says right there. You can't see what it says. I don't like to show the barcode because it weirds me out. But, yeah, I was trying to see if it said where it's sold. I have no idea. Anyway, this is what it comes in. So, that almost went flying earlier. It's so sad. It's kind of giving me like Reese's vibes. Yeah, this is what she looks like. Not bad. It's like a Reese's granola bar. It's really good. Very chewy. And it's not like super sweet. Like it's not that like the super sweet peanut butter tasting candy stuff or super sweet chocolate. It's just sweet enough. I'd say it's a solid 7 out of 10. So yeah, I don't know where this is from. I'll try and remember to ask her. But I did just give you the website. So anyway, like, subscribe, check me out.